Hi friends, a warm welcome to our Brand Mandir YouTube channel. Every Mandir saree is styled and crafted with love, affection and passion. Let's move on to today's Benares Georgette collection from our Mandir. This mustard yellow saree is suitable to wear in special events. Let's move on to see saree details. All over body printed florals, leaves with zari booties. Upper border 4-inch kaddi border, 12-inch down border with kaddi and floral booties. Let's move on to see saree pallu. Overall pallu is kaddi with beautiful tassels. See this beautiful contrast printed blouse with border. This beautiful saree price is 7,280 rupees, and please do subscribe our Brand Mandir YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss watching our latest collections. Let's move on to see overall look of this saree. Hassle free and get ready for any occasion with this beautiful saree. Let's move on to saree details. A beautiful creamish grey saree come up with huge peacocks and zari booties. 6 inches upper border with lines and peacocks. 12 inches big down border with peacocks, chakras, lines and florals. Let's move on to see pallu. A lovely pallu with alleys, chakras, peacocks and florals. A contrast printed blouse with border is a perfect finish to this saree. This pure Benares Georgette saree price is 6,839 rupees. Let's see overall look of this saree. One more gorgeous saree from our Mandir. Let's see saree details. This maroon color saree has come up with huge printed branches with lines. Both side 5-inch kaddi border with peacocks. Let's check out this gorgeous saree pallu. Pallu is with rich zari, diamond booties and paisleys. Contrast printed blouse with border gives a perfect look to this saree. This beautiful Benares Georgette saree price is 6,839 rupees. Let's see overall look of this saree. Enhance your charm with this beautiful ocean green Benares Georgette saree. Let's move on to saree details. All over body multicolored digital floral print. Upper border 4-inch kaddi border. Down border 6-inch kaddi with Rudraksh booties. Let's move on to see pallu. Overall pallu lines and floral design. Floral printed blouse with border. This Benares Georgette saree price is 6,839 rupees. Let's see overall look of this saree. This chiku color saree is designed with simplicity with a touch of soberness. Let's move on to saree details. All over body zari checks with floral bunches and zari booties. Both the side borders are 3-inch kaddi with florals and lines. Let's move on to see pallu. All over pallu kaddi with floral booties. A self-printed blouse is a perfect match to this saree. Ladies, our blouse stitching unit is open now. Customize your blouse with our designing team. For that, you have to call on the displayed phone number. Our customer executive will help you. And this saree price is 7,399 rupees. And let's see overall look of this saree. Look stylish and fashionable by wearing this beautiful lemon yellow saree. Let's move on to saree details. All over body silver and gold floral booties and printed floral booties. Both the sides 4-inch kaddi with diamond. Let's move on to see pallu. All over pallu golden zari cross lines. Self floral printed blouse is a beautiful complement to this saree. This beautiful Benaras Georgette saree price is 9,079 rupees. Let's see overall look of this saree. All these Benaras sarees are comfortable to wear in any occasion. Let's move on to saree details. This saree is grey and blue color combination with a huge floral print all over body. Upper border 5-inch kaddi with cross lines. Down border 5-inch kaddi with cross lines. Let's move on to see pallu. All over pallu golden zari cross lines. Contrast printed blouse with border is a perfect fit to this saree. This pure Benaras Georgette saree price is 7,280 rupees. Let's see overall look of this saree. It is a unique piece with attractive peach and red color combination. Let's move on to see saree details. All over body small zari florals with hibiscus digital print. Upper border 4-inch kaddi. Down border 15 inches with kaddi and intricate pasless. Let's move on to see pallu. All over pallu cross checks with polka booties. A lovely floral print contrast blouse with border. This gorgeous pure Benaras Georgette saree price is 7,280 rupees. Let's see overall look of this saree. Please do subscribe our Brand Mandir YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss watching our latest collections. Let's move on to see saree details. Brown and beige color combination saree, all over body horizontal zari lines with floral printed. Upper border 3-inch kaddi, polka dots in checks. Down border 10-inch kaddi, polka dots in checks. Let's move on to see pallu. All over pallu cross checks and booties. Contrast printed blouse with border is a beautiful complement to this saree. This mesmerizing pure Benaras Georgette saree price is 8,519 rupees. Let's see overall look of this saree. To buy a saree from us, please visit www.brandmandir.com website to order your favorite saree. If you find any difficulty in the purchasing process, please call on the displayed phone number. Our customer executive will help you. Stay fit, stay safe, keep shopping from our Mandir.